Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make this bouncy shake effect in Alight motion. First, import your clips and trim them according to the beats. Now, select your first clip and follow along. Add tiles. Add motion blur and set it to 1.20. Add chromatic aberration and adjust it like I do.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me.
Copy the graph.
Calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world.
Now go to Move and Transform. Change the pivot position and place it on the character's face by using the Move icon. Go to Zoom and create the keyframes just like I do. Paste the graph you copied earlier. Now, copy all the effects from the first clip. Go to your second clip. Paste the effects. Change the pivot position to the character's face. Go to Zoom and follow the same keyframe pattern. Paste the graph you copied earlier. Repeat the same process for the rest of your clips. Finally, combine it with some extra shakes. Sync everything with the beat, and you're done. And that's how you make a bouncy shake in Alight motion. Thanks for watching.